somewhat haggard. What the hell is this?
What is up, guys? Yes, another shop video. I know you guys are probably thinking, do we even ride? Yes, we do, sometimes. Problem is, we can't stop breaking shit this year.
What an idiot! Oh, what a loser!
It's been pretty insane. We got broken shit here. I got broken shit out in the yard. But today we're not working on either of those. This is a project that I was supposed to do a long time ago, and we're finally getting around to it. If you're a returning viewer, you've probably seen this 2022 Polaris General XP Deluxe on the channel. This is dude's dad, Dave. He owns this machine. You've probably seen him drive it before in our West Virginia series. And, you know, we've done a few videos on this, but this machine primarily rides Wisconsin. In fact, it stays up there most of the summer. That's why we're trying to get this project done before it heads up north. It's been a while since this machine's been on the channel. I try to update you guys when we can. Like I said, it's usually up north, and because our machines are wide, we don't really go up north. We used to, but we haven't really done it in a while. The other reason is he goes up there and he rides it. You know, we've done a few things. We'll go over some of the new stuff on there, but he's not breaking stuff like we are, and he's not constantly upgrading like we are. So there's usually not much to update. He's just out there enjoying the machine, putting miles on it. It's been a great machine for him. I think like actual breakage, maybe I think we might have fixed a sloppy ball joint, and I think they've changed the belt once. I want to see how many miles he's got. 4,086. So a few things that have probably been on social media, but not YouTube. Some Genny updates. Everyone loves a Genny update. We got the far off-road bumper, far off-road little tree kickers. And dude put a set of Sedona wheels and O-bore rock scrapers, 32s, on this machine. It definitely needs a little clutching. One, because of the bigger tires. Two, this bad boy's tuned now. We weren't filming that day, and it kind of came as a surprise, and I had to run over there, but this has the Pandemyk tune, and it helps. Obviously, it's not a race car, but it improved the performance of the machine for sure. So now it's just going to need some clutching, but that's not what we're doing today. Today, we are installing some Ravek goodies. We have a turn signal kit. You know, it comes with the horn and everything we need. I don't remember what generation this one is, but we will have a video coming out soon with their new generation called the Speakeasy, which is wireless. So this one is wired, so that's what I'm going to be doing. But Jesse's going to be installing one of the new ones, the Speakeasy ones, on Destiny's Pro R. So if that's something you've been wanting to see, stay tuned. It's coming. And then we're going to install the steering column turn lever finally. We've had this, and we could just never decide what machine to put it on because it only works on certain machines, and it'll work great on this machine. And this is, like, this machine, this setup, like, this is the bread and butter. This is, most people running the stuff from Ravek, it's going to be on a machine like this. You know, the dome light. This one's automatic. I think we showed you guys on Dude's Expedition, but you open and close the door and it triggers the light to turn on and off just like your car. This is the Gen 2 kit, so this is a lot different and a lot better than the ones we've done. These wires are all a little bit shorter, so you don't have to do any tucking, any hiding. Looks like they give you even more zip ties, which is awesome. What else? Everything's labeled a lot nicer. This is for a 4-seater, license plate. Like, they give you everything. It's even better laid out than before. I've never taken this apart, and my analytics show that you guys don't give a shit about wiring. So I'm not going to try and do a wiring video. I'm going to throw you guys to a time lapse, and I'm going to start tearing this thing apart, and installing the lights. And then once I got everything installed, I'll pick back up with you guys and we'll take a look at what we're dealing with here.
Let's go. Yeah. I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shoot tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back.
Little break in the video. Just want to remind you guys, you're going to hear it a lot because it's a big deal to us. You can help us win this flex hauler and get yourself entered into the Dirt Dudes giveaway. This is going till August 13th, 2026. All you got to do, eqoutdoors.us, and use our discount code, Somewhat Haggard. They don't just sell the flex hauler. They're also a dealer for a continuing list of brands. Like, for example, we did the L&W suspension on my machine. You can get that there. And then you can save 5% off your order. Get entered into the Dirt Dudes giveaway and help us win this. So make sure you go get entered. Zach is giving away a sweet setup. We'll put up a picture here. Get yourself entered. All right, back to the video.
Forget it, I got one life, I'ma do all to win it. I do what's right, push until I fall, I'm slipping to get back up. Always stand tall, I'm grinning. I got cuts real deep, big bruise the squad. I had to learn how to think with my head and my heart. I've been chewed up, spit out, torn apart, but picking up all the pieces is a form of art.
We are on to the next day. It was starting to get dark, but I kind of finished up. I figured I'd wait till we have light because I was doing this outside. I was doing it outside, guys, because it's not even close. It ain't gonna fit. In the past, we've been able to deflate tires to get machines in here, but this one, it's like 3 feet off, so not happening. So this is what the Gen 2 kit looks like installed under the hood of the General. I mounted it over here, give them a little extra room, ran the wires behind, and then the ones that go to the front apex lights go down through here, and that's where we mounted the lights. And then everything else went back through the firewall, and then I ran it down the tunnel, which is where we get into the pain in the ass. Because I figured out how to take that apart. Obviously the top apart. Cup holders. Couldn't really figure this out. So I ran it through here. Sticking my hands down there. And then I have it run through the tunnel. And then back here, which is like my nemesis, is a large dude. This kind of sucks squeezing in here. Unfortunately, I was already done what I thought of, oh, hey, I could just take that pin out and move the bed a little bit more, but it was too late. I already bashed my head on this sumbitch way too many times. But I just followed a harness, and the plug is right there. Just one plug. It kind of goes in line, and you're good. Obviously very bright out right now, so we'll wait till it starts getting a little darker, and then we'll take a look at it. But for now, I'm just kind of showing you how the install went. We're still trying to figure out what we're going to do for the dome light, but that's kind of where we're at. Just wanted to give you guys a little update. Even though there's no red apex lights in the rear, he's just going with the tail lights. Further on down the line, if he's like, hey, I want a set of reds, we can easily just tie into the harness we put there and mount them up, and he's got reds that are all tied in. So it's a really simple add-on. On this unit, we installed the column switch. So this is really cool. This is an add-on feature. Instead of running your normal rocker switches for the turn signals and then the horn and hazard light one, you take those two wires, plug it into this, mount it on your steering column. So just like all the Ravek stuff, you get your factory little indicator lights. But to trigger it now, instead of the buttons, we're down for left, we're up for right, and then if we push forward, backward, it does the horn. And then this little button under here is your hazards. That is really slick. They only make those for select machines right now, so that's why we've had to wait. That particular one would work on the General or an XP1K. So there's nothing for any of the Pro models. I don't know if they're going to work on that or not, but for like this style steering column, I think they have it for a few machines. It is slick. You know, it's a cleaner look than the rockers in a way. I don't know, more, it looks more factory, I guess is the way I'd put it. Keep in mind, all this Ravek stuff too. Unlimited lifetime warranty. Don't forget about that. The stuff is super high quality. We have bashed the shit out of them. So you get that. On top of that, if you find a way to break it, you're covered. So I'm going to figure out this dome light, and then I'll catch back up with you guys. I mean, it's a very straightforward kit, but it's automatic. So you got to have a spot in the door jamb to put your sensor. And that's where I'm struggling. I'm struggling a bit. You know, so it's not my machine, so I'm not making any heavy modifications. So dude might stop over and take a look too. But yeah, once I get this figured out, we'll check it all out.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do, and now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get.
It is starting to get a little darker. We are done. We've been waiting for it to get darker so the lights pop a little more. But we got the Apex lights. When they are in the just running light deal here, they're white. But my lovely assistant dude will hit a button and they all change to amber. Or, well, in this case, it's just two. But they change to amber with the signals, with the hazards. Got the horn hooked up. Boom. Then out back, we're tied into the factory tail lights. Very simple. Then you hit the brake lights, and they got that Ravek flicker. It's a beautiful thing. It's not going to show up that great on camera. It's something you got to see in person, but like the running lights from the factory and the Raveks, huge difference. Ravek ones are way brighter. Most of the machines on the channel have these, and we all love them. So it's about time the machine that this kind of thing is built for finally gets them. So we're going to take this out on the road and get some shots for you guys. For right now, because we don't have time and we couldn't really figure out a decent spot to mount the little sensor and switch, we just kind of have it tucked away, and that's a project for a different day. But for now, similar to my machine, dome light still works. You just got to hit the switch. It's not automatic yet. This one, it will be. Just got to figure out the door situation. If you guys want a kit like this or anything from Ravek, we have a discount code. It's Haggard. It will get you free shipping. We are getting lit up here with mosquitoes. Or at least I am. Dude doesn't have blood. He's just got bush light.
I got some beers. Let's drink them, huh?
Ravek is a huge supporter of the channel, so make sure you guys go show them some love. If you guys want these videos ad-free, uncensored, and a little bit early, and you want your name scrolling out here on this pond, check out our Patreon. Link for that is below. Another great way to support what we're doing here, somewhathaggard.com. Get yourself some Haggard merch. And of course, our sponsors, like Ravek. Support the companies that are supporting us. It is freaking huge. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. We'll catch you on the next one. Peace.
I'm running from a gorilla bear, and I am so hungry. And I'm so afraid of the gorilla bear. The gorilla bear screams like a chimpanzee. And it also makes circles. I have to run away from it, but they don't like running. But I'm faster than it, so I can run away. But a sea bear is gonna catch me, though. Oh my goodness, a sea bear. I'm dying.